A good trading spot here, with our momentum shifting its trend color from green to red. And also for our DeMarker indicator, it is at the middle of its line. Then a high tendency for the trend to go down for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Let's take this trade for 3 minutes. We traded with cryptocurrency OTC, or over-the-counter, and having consistent results based on our recent trades. Got a good result on that trade. As you can see, we have a 90% consistency rate on this trading strategy. We have DeMarker with a period of 25, and the momentum period of 30. Take a look at this. Our DeMarker might go for downtrend in this kind of scenario, and our momentum shifts for a green volume going down. Let's trade lower on this for 3 minutes.
This method requires patience, so make sure you're on your mood while trading.
We got a loss on that one. Anyways, we got positive outcomes on our previous trades. Let's find a reliable spot to trade with. Take a look at this. There's a pattern here. The volume might go for uptrend, or shifting into a green bar. Let's trade up on this. We got a red volume here, a green volume, a red volume, and a high tendency for the next green volume. It shifts its color here, from red to green. A good trading result. Another good reversal here. Our DeMarker crosses below the 30 level, then a high tendency for the trend to go up. Also for our momentum, it might tend to shift its volume color into green. Let's trade for 3 minutes.
Past results does not guarantee future results. It is best to invest what you can afford to lose.
Got a good result on that. See the rest of the video, and don't forget to follow us to get the latest updates and strategies trading with Pocket Option and other trading brokers. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more free trading methods like this.